So UiPath is a robotic process automation company. What this basically means is that they have like a software that they can use which replaces a lot of the basic administrative boring tasks that staff in many companies do. And so here's some footage of the co-CEO. His name is Robert Enslin, and he's going to talk a little bit more in detail as to, you know, some of the use cases, how the software is really beneficial, and how it could potentially change the future of working as well.
Simple example, you get an email coming into a company. The email says, I'm waiting for my production. When will my production arrive? I need it on Thursday. AI can read the email, we can read the email, understand what it's saying, we can take out bills of materials, IDs, addresses, then we can go look in the systems and say, is it a real customer?
Right.
Is this one of our customers? Was the order actually placed? Can we match the order?
This is before any humans
get in the loop, absolutely. And then we can validate it. Premium customer, order was placed on the production line. We can then script an email. Think about the healthcare system. If you're able to help 400 or 500 nurses or physician assistants, save time in the day, spend more of that time with patients, certainly the outcome's got to be better for all of us in humanity.
And the company is getting a lot of recognition and a lot of traction from its clients who are recognizing the automation, the power of this automation, how it's adding so much value to the companies in which it's being used.
Now, I checked in with Chipotle before I decided to speak to you tonight. Chipotle said that your automation software is cutting edge and does great things for them.
And so one of the things that I really love about this company is the software, the automated software or the AI software that it offers is industry agnostic. What does that mean? It means it can be used across so many different industries. So for example, if you look on their website, you'll see case studies, use cases of where their software has been used in banking and finance, in media, in telecoms, and in a whole host of other industries as well. And again, if you look at their client list includes Morningstar, who are like a financial services company, but it also includes BMW, Allianz, General Electric, Toyota, Coca-Cola, and Chipotle. And so really what this means is that there's such a broad range of companies out there where this software can really be applied. And so in helping to enhance efficiency, in helping to reduce time, in helping to save money, in helping to clients, their clients or customers to reallocate workforce from these automated tasks onto other things like sales, for example, this is really, really going to help create value to the world, which in turn, this is how businesses grow. This is how businesses make an impact. This is how they make more money.
Chipotle is really a great customer of us. So they worked with us a lot in automating finance, back office tasks. And the key word was scalability. They were able to really scale with us.
And so, one of the ways in which I always analyze a business, like I've kind of said in previous videos, is like, what is the value they bring to the world? Now, another reason that I really like this business as an investment opportunity is because of its business model. Now, their business model is that they offer this software which offers a range of different functionalities, and you can use those according to your business needs. But the software is on a subscription model. So what does that mean? It means that as a customer, if I'm a customer and I buy UiPath, I am hiring out the software and I'm paying a monthly subscription. So what this means is, from a business standpoint, is that UiPath are generating recurring revenue, predictable recurring revenue every month from its clients. Because they offer this off-the-shelf product, the business model is very scalable. We're kind of in a process where there has not been complete mass adoption with AI, and there is a huge scope or huge runway for businesses to start adopting this kind of software and implementing it into their businesses as well, which is why I see this as a really good investment opportunity. And as you can see up on the screen now, UiPath went public in 2021 at in and about $75. Since then, it's kind of experienced quite a decline. And over the last year, it's been hovering between the $15 to $25 mark. And again, just looking at kind of the changing nature of commerce, of business, you know, the transitionary period that we're experiencing right now with AI. I can only see this company growing. Looking at the price right now, focusing on the longer term over the next 5 to 10 years, understanding the gradual adoption of this kind of software into businesses and how it's going to really improve businesses, how it's going to help them to drive more revenue, how it's going to help them to save time and run more efficiently. There's very good opportunity for anyone who wants to put in money now, potentially, and to hold on for that longer term period of time as we see the impact of AI as it begins to be implemented into the businesses and into the workforce. And one of the great things about UiPath is that they have this real focus on constant and ongoing innovation. They are constantly looking at new ways to develop this software, to enhance this software. And as they glean more insights from the clients that they work with, they're going to factor in their learnings to build this even more. The two founders that I've mentioned in this video, they both come from engineering backgrounds as well. So what does this mean? This is something that I always look for in leadership, is that you have leaders who have technical experience. They can get involved in technical conversations, but they can also focus on the business elements as well, of like looking at how the business grows, looking at how the business expands. What else do they need to do to enhance the software in order to help more of their clients and to in turn generate more revenue in the process?
We have built this platform for emulating people. Building emulation software is very difficult, Jim. As you can see in building self-driving cars, this is our bread and butter. And we are years ahead of any of our competitors in building reliable, sophisticated emulation software.
And one way to look at this kind of investment, you're not just investing in the business, but you're kind of investing in a new way of working, a new way in which businesses are going to work in the future, which is taking place at the moment. We're still in the very early stages. There has not yet been mass adoption of this software. Companies are gradually signing up to it. I've listed some of the companies earlier in this video. And by investing in a software platform like this, you're also investing in how work is going to look like in the future as well.
Now, scripting an email with ChatGPT or OpenAI, by giving it tags and information, it can write a very specific email. Before sending that email out, think human, machine equals automation. Humans in the loop are a really important part of AI because AI has to learn all the time. So before just sending the response back to, you would stop and you would say, is this the correct email? Do I have all the right information? The information was based on these factors. These were the possible. So you're giving the user all the information on how you wrote the email, why it's relevant, and the user then decides, the human then decides whether the email is correct to send off.
So look, I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and catch you soon. All the best.